Hello and welcome. Grab your strikers and puck and let's build an air hockey table. Begin step 1 by placing each of the 4x4 plates atop the middle of the 6x10 plate. Take each of the 1x4 tiles and align them atop the two 4x4 plates. Let's continue constructing the table in step 2. Take two of the 1x10 plates and stack them onto one another. Repeat that once more. Then take two of the 1x1 plates and stack them on top of one another. Repeat that 3 more times. Grab some bricks and straighten those pieces so they're flush. Bring in the build from step 1 and attach the 1x10 plates on opposite sides of the 6x10 plate. Take the 1x1 plates and attach them like so. Let's build our pockets. Take two of the 1x1x1 corner panels and place on one side of the table like so. And repeat for the opposite side. Now place a 2x2 corner tile on each corner of the table. Attach each of the 1x2 tiles next to the corner tiles on the long side of the table. Take two of the 1x1 open O clips and place side by side on one side of the table. And repeat for the opposite side. Flip the table over and attach the 2x2 bricks to each corner. Now on to our final step. Grab a 1x2 translucent red tile and attach two of the 1x1 open O clips on top. Repeat once more. And let's straighten those pieces so they're flush. Now attach those pieces to the bottom side of the 6x4x3 roll cage. Bring back the table and snap the roll cage in place. Let the games begin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.